Instant coffee fuels millions of mornings worldwide. Whether during a quick office break or a cozy home morning, it delivers that essential caffeine fix in seconds. But what's the real story behind this everyday magic? Behind the convenience lies an intricate process in which raw beans are transformed into fine, soluble powder through roasting, industrial drying, and precise quality control. Factories process thousands of kilograms of coffee daily, ensuring consistent taste, aroma, and shelf stability. Ever wondered how those green beans become the instant coffee in your cup? Stay tuned as we uncover the thrilling journey from bean to brew. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Instant coffee production begins with sourcing green coffee beans from major producers like Brazil, Vietnam, Colombia, and Ethiopia. These unroasted beans arrive in bulk jute bags and are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to preserve freshness. Before processing, beans undergo strict grading for size, shape, moisture, and defects. Only high-grade beans are selected to ensure a balanced flavor. This grading involves electronic sorters and human inspectors working together to remove damaged or substandard beans. Quality at this stage is vital. Poor beans can ruin an entire batch. Industry standards, such as those by the Specialty Coffee Association, guide this process. Automated systems like QualiSense boost efficiency and consistency. The roasting stage is a critical transformation phase in coffee production. Coffee beans are roasted using either drum roasters or fluidized bed, air roasters, where temperatures typically range from 180 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. During this process, the Maillard reaction takes place, a chemical interaction between amino acids and sugars, which gives coffee its signature aroma, color, and flavor. This reaction is essential for developing the deep, rich notes found in roasted coffee. The roasting time and temperature are closely monitored and controlled by computerized systems to ensure batch-to-batch consistency. Lighter roasts yield milder flavors, while darker roasts bring out more intense, bold characteristics. To prevent scorching and achieve an even roast, beans are constantly agitated. Once roasting is complete, the beans are quickly cooled using forced air to stop the cooking process immediately and lock in the flavor. After roasting, the beans head to industrial grinders, where they're ground into a specific size suitable for coffee extraction. The goal is to achieve a fine, uniform grind that allows for maximum flavor to be drawn out during brewing. These machines are massive and operate continuously, handling hundreds of kilograms per hour. Particle size plays a critical role. If it is too coarse, extraction is weak, and it is too fine, it might clog the equipment. Sophisticated sieving systems ensure the ground coffee meets precise specifications. Some factories even use cryogenic grinding, where beans are chilled with liquid nitrogen to prevent heat degradation of aroma compounds. Now it's time to turn ground coffee into liquid coffee extract. This is done using huge industrial brewers called percolators or extractors. These stainless steel vessels can hold thousands of liters and brew coffee under pressure and controlled temperatures. Water is passed through the ground coffee in multiple stages to extract maximum flavor, aroma, and caffeine. This continuous process mimics home brewing, but on a much larger scale. The result is a thick, concentrated coffee extract. After brewing, the used coffee grounds are separated and often repurposed for compost or biofuel. The extract, now cooled and filtered, is ready for the next big step, drying into instant granules. Before drying, the liquid coffee must be concentrated to make drying more efficient and preserve flavor. This is achieved using vacuum evaporators, which remove excess water from the coffee extract without overheating it. By reducing the pressure, water evaporates at lower temperatures, preventing damage to delicate flavor compounds. The extract is gently heated, and steam is drawn off, leaving behind a more potent liquid concentrate. This syrupy texture contains the full strength of the batch. Concentration also reduces the volume, making it easier to handle in the following stages. This step is vital for achieving a strong, aromatic instant coffee. Factories use one of two methods to turn concentrate into granules: spray drying or freeze drying. Spray drying involves spraying the hot concentrate into a tower filled with hot air. As droplets fall, water evaporates, leaving behind fine coffee powder. It's fast, cost-effective, and ideal for large-scale production. Freeze drying, on the other hand, preserves more aroma and flavor. The concentrate is first frozen into slabs, then placed in a vacuum chamber where ice sublimates directly into vapor. What's left are porous, flavorful granules. Both methods produce shelf-stable, easy-to-rehydrate coffee. Spray drying offers efficiency, while freeze drying provides superior quality. After drying, especially with spray-dried coffee, the resulting powder may be too fine and dusty. That's where agglomeration comes in. The goal is to bind small particles into larger, uniform granules that dissolve better and are easier to package. The powder is misted with water or steam and stirred in tumbling drums, forming clumps through adhesion. These clumps are then dried again to remain stable and free-flowing. The final granules are screened for size consistency. This step enhances solubility, gives the coffee a more appealing texture, and ensures every teaspoon delivers a satisfying brew. A major challenge is the loss of aroma during roasting, brewing, and drying. To fix this, factories use flavor recovery systems. During brewing and evaporation, volatile aroma compounds are captured using condensers or aroma traps. These compounds are stored and protected from heat and oxidation. After drying, the recovered aromas are sprayed back onto the instant granules inside a sealed drum. This restores the coffee's natural scent and taste, making it closer to freshly brewed coffee. The process is highly controlled to ensure the right balance of flavor notes. It's a clever way to bring life back into the dry product. Instant coffee production involves strict quality control at every stage. In on-site laboratories, technicians analyze coffee for moisture, pH, solubility, aroma, color, and microbial safety. Samples are tested to meet international food standards and flavor profiles. Sensory experts perform taste tests to confirm product quality. Computerized systems track every detail from roasting temperature to drying conditions. If anything is out of range, the batch is flagged for review. These controls are essential for maintaining the consistency that global brands promise their customers. Once finalized, the coffee moves to fully automated packing lines that fill jars, sachets, or pouches. Machines weigh, fill, and seal containers airtight to prevent moisture exposure. Labels include batch numbers, expiry dates, and nutritional details. Some factories use nitrogen flushing to remove oxygen, preserving freshness and flavor. The process is touch-free, fast, and ensures hygiene and efficiency. From travel packets to family jars, packaging is designed for durability, transport safety, and brand recognition on store shelves. In the global instant coffee supply chain, maintaining optimal storage and transit conditions is crucial to preserve flavor and ensure product quality. Industry standards recommend storing coffee and transporting it at temperatures between 10 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius and relative humidity levels below 60%. To achieve this, companies employ advanced climate-controlled warehouses and temperature and humidity monitoring systems. For instance, IoT-enabled sensors and wireless data loggers provide real-time visibility into environmental conditions, allowing for immediate alerts if parameters deviate from the set range. This proactive approach helps prevent flavor degradation and spoilage, ensuring that instant coffee products reach consumers worldwide in optimal condition. The magic of instant coffee lies in how it compresses an elaborate process, sourcing, roasting, brewing, and drying into a few spoonfuls of powder. What takes factories days to perfect, we enjoy in under a minute. This convenience is made possible by advanced machinery, global supply chains, and meticulous quality control. Every step, from farms to freeze dryers, is engineered to retain as much flavor and aroma as possible. So the next time you stir a spoonful into your mug, remember the incredible journey behind that instant satisfaction. Ever wondered how the beans get to your cup so quickly? Dive deeper and share your thoughts in the comments below.